welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video we are unboxing a Louis Vuitton discontinued item. If you want to see what I'm going to unbox, please stay tuned. Where are my manners? If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you are new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell's notification so that you'll never miss an upload from me. While you're at it, also go follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury so that we can get to know each other there, just like how we're getting to know each other here. You might want to subscribe to my channel because I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. The 500 subscriber giveaway winner will get to win a pair of Gucci sunglasses. All of the details will be in the description box down below. I know that we are getting very, very close to 500 subscribers, and I'm so grateful and so thankful for each and every one of you guys. And I know I say that all the time, but I really mean it from the bottom of my heart. And I just am so grateful for all the love and the support that you all share on this channel. And I just want to keep this channel as positive as possible and as friendly as possible, and I want to thank you all for doing so. Instead of me continuing to ramble, let's get right into this unboxing. So, like I said in the intro, I am unboxing a Louis Vuitton discontinued item. If you think you know what it is, pause the video, comment down below what you think this discontinued Louis Vuitton item is. And yeah, so I don't know, should I tell the background story before unboxing it, or go ahead and unbox it and then tell the background story? I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it and then tell the background story on how I got this item. Well, first of all, this item is something that I've been wanting for a long time. It's gonna complete a series of items that I have, but if I told you what those series of items are, it would give this away. But this is the final piece that I need in that series of items to complete. I've been wanting this item for so long. I've been wanting it since last year, October, September, but I just kept putting it off and off, saying, oh, it's not going anywhere, I'll be able to get it, it's not going anywhere, and I'll be able to get it. And it finally went somewhere, and then I thought the whole world was gonna end, because I was like, the opportunities that I did have to jump on this item, I didn't jump on it. But everything worked out in my favor, and so here she is in my hand. So let's go ahead and unbox her. I didn't purchase this in store, and I did not purchase this off of the Louis Vuitton website. I ended up having my SA at the Louis Vuitton store in Saks at Phipps Plaza in Atlanta, Georgia. She snagged this for me, and I did a phone transaction. I didn't order it offline or anything like that, but I'll get into the details of that very, very soon. But so when the box came, it did not come in the traditional cardboard Louis Vuitton box. It came in a regular plain Jane cardboard box with tamper-proof tape on it. And then my SA wrapped it up beautifully with the ribbon and in the Louis Vuitton box. So we're just gonna pull the ribbon off of it. Like, the receipt is in the box. Aw, and she left a cute little note in here. I love my SA. I'm gonna drop all my SA details. And actually, if you want my SAs, if you live in the Atlanta, Georgia area, or even in Georgia period, because we only have 2 malls that sell luxury items, and you want my SA's information, email me. My email is in my About Me area on my YouTube channel. Email me and I'll be able to give you my SA's contact information, because she's so sweet and she goes beyond like expectations. So, and I will also mention her information too in this video. But as far as phone number and stuff, if you specifically want that, email me, then I'll reach out to her, ask for her permission, and then I'll share her actual contact information. But I did get my receipt. My receipt was inside of my box. with the item, and she left a cute little note, which I love. My essay is amazing. And here's the dust bag, and from the shape of the dust bag you can probably tell what it is. I'm so excited to have this. And it is the Toiletry Pouch 26. I have the Toiletry Pouch 15, 19, and now I finally have the 26. When I heard that the 26 was going to be discontinued, I was so hurt, because there would be multiple times that I could purchase my toiletry 26, but I would just put it off and be like, oh, I'll just get it another time, I'll get it another time. And then Louis Vuitton was having price increases, and I was just like, okay, I'm not gonna let another price increase go by and I not get this item, because once this hits a certain price, I'm not gonna try to purchase it whatsoever. And then it was discontinued, and I was like, okay, this is now, the time is now. I am going to get my toiletry 26 so I can complete my trifecta, because again, I have the toiletry 15, 19, and now I have the 26. And I always wanted a complete toiletry set, whether I use them as keep-alls in my purses or work tote. I convert them into like little crossbody bags, or carry it as a clutch, or just the functionality of them all. I just know at some point in my life I just wanted a nice luxury toiletry set to just travel with, or to just use them in multiple different ways. And I wanted a complete toiletry set. I didn't just want pieces here and there. I wanted the complete trifecta. And I don't know if that's a Virgo thing. It possibly can be, but I just wanted a complete set so that I can pass something down to nieces, nephews, daughters, sons. You just never know. So yes, this is a toiletry 26. Literally 3 weeks ago I went on vacation. While I was on vacation, my SA texted me and she was like, the toiletry 26 came in store. I snagged it, do you want it? And I was like, can you hold it for me? Because these toiletry 26s are in one, high demand, and two, they're like technically discontinued. They couldn't hold it for me, and I was like, it's okay, you know, my time will come. You can just go ahead and, you know, give it to the next person, whoever wants it. And so she did just that, because I was out of town. I couldn't come back to Atlanta that quick to just get a toiletry 26. And at the time I didn't really think that I could like do an over the phone sale, but now I know. Or this was just a one-time situation. So about 3 weeks, she calls me up yesterday, which was Friday the 13th, August 13th. This is actually in real time. So she calls me August 13th. She texts me and was like, Fatima, we have a toiletry 26 that came in. I snagged it and I thought about you. Do you want this? And then another essay was like trying to get this bag, because one of her clients wanted this exact same bag. Luckily, I texted her in the nick of time, and I called her and she did the transaction for me. She did an overnight shipping, and I got it today, August 14th. And so here she is in my hands, and I'm super excited. So we all know that the Toiletry 26 pouches are used in multiple ways as keep-alls, crossbody bags, and clutches. It's one piece of Louis Vuitton canvas, and you have a vachetta tab on the side. Mine was made in France. My other toiletry pouches are made in Spain. So this is my toiletry pouches made in France. So that's really exciting. It comes with gold hardware, so a gold zipper and gold zipper track. And on the inside, it is made with the wipeable inner material. And the date code for my toiletry 26 is hot stamped over here in this corner. If the camera will focus, I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it's hot stamped in this corner right here. But I am super excited because, like I said, I wanted a complete toiletry trifecta, and I wanted to also join the trend. I know I'm late on the trend of carrying this bag as a clutch or crossbody bag. That's another reason why I purchased the monogram bandolier strap so that I could wear this as a crossbody bag, and I think it's gonna be so cute, and add a chain to the bag. Also, we all know that Louis Vuitton has discontinued the Toiletry Pouch 26. When I was calling around trying to find it like a month or so ago, client services did tell me that they would be releasing a limited amount of Toiletry 26s to different like boutiques, Louis Vuitton boutiques. So they were like, the best way to get the Toiletry 26 is to have an SA to look out for them, because they do release them every now and then to the stores, and then if you're not in the store of when they're present, then your SA will reach out to you and let you know. And 9 times out of 10, the SAs are going to reach out to their clients first, and then if their clients don't want the item, then they'll just put it in rotation on the floor for people who don't have SAs to come in and pick it up. So if you want a Toiletry 26, I would recommend that you get connected with an SA. Call client services, because they can let you know if there's like a toiletry, any of the toiletry pouches available in a store, and then I would suggest that you like reach out to someone to that store, reach out to someone in that store to see if it's really true or not, because sometimes what client services see is sometimes is not real time for the actual Louis Vuitton boutique. So just keep that in mind. But yes, the person I talked to at client services did say that they discontinued the Toiletry Pouch 26. They're basically gonna revamp it. I don't know how they're gonna revamp it. I honestly feel like it's gonna go back to how, I don't know exactly what year, but they used to sell a bag that literally looked like the Toiletry Pouch 15. It's called like the Monogram Bucket Pochette, and it's literally this bag with a strap. Like they actually created it into a handbag, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna revamp this into a handbag, because again, people were taking like a small leather good or a travel item and creating a handbag out of it for a fraction of the price, and Louis Vuitton was like, hey, if people are doing that, let's market it ourselves and revamp it. So I'm pretty sure that is what they're doing, but I didn't want a revamped version. Honestly, I wanted the original version to match my other items, and I'm happy. I'm so happy I have my hands on this. If you want, first I have to order my insert. I might order an insert off of Etsy or from Samorga. I'm not 100% sure. And then once I order my insert, I can show you how I convert this into a handbag, even though I know there's tons of videos on YouTube about it. But if you specifically want me to show you how I do it, I can do that. And if you want to know what fits all inside of here, I can do that as well. And yeah, so I hope you like today's video. Oh, I almost forgot. My essay's name is Dominique, and she works at the Louis Vuitton and Saks at Phipps Plaza off of Peachtree Street in Atlanta, Georgia. She is wonderful. She definitely keeps a list of items. When I say she's wonderful, she literally goes beyond for her clients, and she will literally find whatever you want. And like when I tell you she will find whatever you want, she will find it, even if it means it takes months on end. She doesn't forget about you. She constantly checks up on you, and she is literally the best SA I have had from Louis Vuitton. If you live in the Georgia area, like I mentioned before, in the metro Atlanta area, you're more than welcome to go to the Louis Vuitton at Saks Fifth. And if she's there, ask for Dom, because she's amazing. She goes by Dom, but her name is Dominique. But She is absolutely amazing. Again, if you want her specific contact number and information, email me and I will double check with her to make sure it's okay, and then I will share that information with you. But yeah, if you like content like this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I am giving away a pair of Gucci sunglasses for my 500 subscribers. All the entry details will be down below. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. And while you're at it, also, if you have not caught up with my most recent videos, go back and check out my most recent videos. I have done a couple of unboxings of what fits in my bag, so go check those out. And until next time, my loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.